This video is going to show you how to create a simple redirect using your cPanel control panel. Now for me, the main reason behind wanting to create a simple redirect is for affiliate marketing. Here's the situation. Let's say I've got a whole bunch of different websites and I've got an awesome offer on these widgets from this particular product creator and he's paying a fantastic commission. So I want to put my affiliate link to his offer on all of my websites because the more traffic I can generate towards his offer through my link, the more commissions I'm going to get. Okay, so all's fine and dandy. 2 years down the line, everything's going great. I'm making a lot of coin off of this affiliate relationship between the two of us. Then all of a sudden, let's say he sells the site and the new owner of that site changes all of the links, maybe he just doesn't promote that product anymore, and one thing or another, but that link to that particular affiliate product no longer exists. That means that every single website that I have, and this is maybe a year or two down the line, I don't remember all those websites, but every single website that I have that I had that link on, those are now pointing to a dead link. Talk about embarrassing, but also it's just wasted traffic that I'm sending to his or her website, not benefiting me whatsoever. Actually, it's hurting me. Now then, let's back up. If I were to have used a redirect, the way that I'm going to show you how to create one here in just a minute, if I were to use a redirect, then all I have to do is go in there and point that redirect to a different offer. Then automatically that URL that I had on every one of those websites is automatically now pointing towards that new affiliate offer. I don't have to go into each one of those websites individually and change those links individually. I was smart enough in the beginning to use a simple redirect, so all I have to do now, go in, change one item on one link, bing, bang, boom, it's changed everywhere throughout the internet. Okay, now that's the situation, that's the why, now here's the how. Let's go on into our cPanel control panel, come on down here to the domains panel and click on redirects. Now, there's a few different ways in which you can do this, and you got the video tutorial here, but this is the way that I do it. Now, I want to point out to you, you got two options here under the type. You've got the permanent and you've got the temporary. They're going to do the same exact thing, only the permanent will tell the visitor's browser, just like it says here, to update any bookmarks they may have created on that URL. So it's totally up to you how you want to handle this. Myself, I usually go with the temporary if I'm doing this as the affiliate situation I described a second ago. So I'm going to go with temporary, and I'm going to go with all domains. Again, there's a few different ways you can do this depending upon the setup you have. If you've got a bunch of different domains here, then you might want to just select the one. In this instance, I've only got the one domain, so it doesn't matter either way. Now then I'm going to put the name of the directory here that I'm going to be using on my links. And let's say widgets. I think I've done this before. So this is going to be the URL. It's going to be mydemonstrationsite.com/widgets. That's going to be the URL that I put on all of my websites. And that, when clicked on, is going to point to this URL here, because this is the URL to the affiliate, to the actual product creator's website, where when somebody goes here after having clicked on my link to get there, I've got it set up to where I'm going to get paid a commission if they make a purchase. So in addition to the fact that I have a URL, when at any time in the future I can easily change it by simply coming in here and replacing this, which is maybe down the line a dead link, I can replace this with a new totally different link, and it will automatically take place in all the locations that I have this URL. In addition to that, another reason is that maybe this one here is a very long and ugly looking affiliate link like what you might get from ClickBank, and I can replace that, or mask it if you will, with a shorter link that's much easier for somebody to remember, like me. So there's a couple of reasons right there. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and click on the wildcard redirect. That way, anything that I might have in this directory here will also point towards this URL. Again, this is totally up to you how you want to handle this. If you've got a specific file inside of this directory, then you might want to make those adjustments by putting maybe a / and then the name of that file .php or whatever the case. But this is basically an empty directory right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark that wildcard redirect, click on add. Now then, let's give this a whirl. First off, let me show you what this URL will produce right here. This is the Okay, I know. But this is the affiliate page. Let's just assume there's a whole bunch of cool, awesome widgets here, and that when the person clicks on my link, they end up here, and they're going to buy all the goodies, and then I get paid commissions. Okay, so that's what they're going to end up at. But they're going to get there by way of my URL. So whenever they click on my URL here on any of my websites throughout the entire internet, they're going to end up here. Pretty cool. And that is how you can create a simple redirect using cPanel. Thank you very much for watching this video. You have a great day.